Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Forest River R-Pod Hood River 178. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This super light unit weighs under 2,500 pounds, sleeps 4 large slide-out R-Pod awning room extension, included air conditioning, great kitchen, 2 TVs, fully self-contained in like new condition.